What is good? What is good? What is good? Yo. What is good? We're here. We're back. We're better than ever. Hi. Welcome. How do you do? How do I execute? How do I make money? And I will show you. We will show you. Okay. So first, what you want to do is find a long term, and stick with the long term. As him, stick with the long term. There's ways you can enter early, but this is our main entry. As you see, we got a couple of markups right here. Yeah, let's see. Oh, let's see. Hold on. Okay. Yo. What's good? What's good? So as you can see, GJ, which is I like GJ. So what we waiting for is something right here. I'm really waiting for GJ to come right here. I wanted to retrace all of this. This would be like a super clean because all it is following trend. So what you can see of GJ, it burst out here. If it could just retrace this and doesn't break down here, and then just break above, we could at least get price to come to here. At least price to come to here. What's good, my boy? So GJ, you could get it an entry right here. You get something like this of GJ. You won't enter directly here, but you get something like this. We will have to see some upwards. Like if it tap here, see some upward movements, or it could tap here, see some upward movements, break above here, then enter. So GJ, or I'm telling it, bro, GJ, bro, that joint smooth. Or you could wait till GJ come here and come back above here. But I rather this is like an A plus setup. And then because I feel like this could come here, come back down, and you would have to move stop loss at least but like somewhere down here. But GJ is kind of telling me it doesn't want to break because you can see it's wicking. Look how strong these jumps is. So you could get a buy from above this area for a nice 101. Last I entered early here because it was gaps. When I see a gap, I know it fills. So I entered early here into another one here off the lower time frame, but the higher time frame, I should have held to here, but it hits TP. But that's what I see for GJ, either here or here. And I like this one way better. But like I said, I can't tell the market what they want to do. If it respects this support and break above here, you're gonna look to buy. Okay. Gold, like I said, gold. I'm really just waiting for gold to retrace. I wouldn't touch gold. I'm not really a good scalper for me. I'm waiting for gold just to retrace like what gold did previous. You see, gold went you see how gold went up, it retraced. You could have entered right here, boom, entered, boom, and it came right back to price. Came right back. You could have entered somewhere around here, boom, respect stop loss, and then it came right back to price. So like I said, it broke out of any places is breaking out of boom here, boom here. Yeah, so right now for gold, if you want to enter like off like short, I like the long time frames. You can enter like it's so much space you can enter like off like lower time frames. But you know, or me, I ain't really trying to. Like, you could have entered somewhere like right here. Uh, let's see. Boom. This would have never came back. I don't know. I just wait till gold retrace. But I like gold. I feel like it is gonna retrace. We could get a good retracement. You see all my retracement values. This is a clean one for me. This is another clean one. This is okay one. We could delete this one. But I really do. Yeah, I'm about to show you what I entered today. Yeah, I'm about to show you. I'm up like 3,000, 3.5. I'm trying to pass. I'm up like 3.5 right now. I'm about to show you. But I'm just looking at, all right, so let me show you what I entered. So I finally entered US 30. So for US 30, I'm down right now. I was up a pretty penny. So for 30, I'm looking for more entries. So 30, I'm not even really up like that. I'm probably like negative like 100. So 30, I entered right here. I believe I might re-enter when it come around here because the lot size is weird for 30. Like every 1 point is like, I don't know, like if I lose this is $600, so I'm gonna add another point when it comes to like right here, and I can add something right here. So let me see. I entered 30 today off this one. Let's see. I could enter like a I could enter a 3 for here. Enter a 3 lot for here because I'll lose what 450. Really a 4 lot. I could enter somewhere like a 4 lot, but I'm gonna enter a 3 because I'm gonna re-enter off this right here. So if it could come down and don't really break lows, like let me see. Like this is off the lower time frame. Let's see. We want something like around here just to be in the safe side. Like I said, to be on the safe side, the low is here, but be on the safe side. Make your low like once I notice to make my lows like very like because sometimes it does like look wicks you out and comes back. If you could just make your lows a little lower, let's make it like a little lower. That's what I said. Maybe like a 3. This is a nice one. If it could come here and don't break lows and come back up, or if it could just come up and make bullish momentum, I could enter and I'm gonna re-enter from here for 30. So I already entered one time for 30 today. I was up, almost hit TP. I'm kind of glad it came back down because I really do believe it's gonna go back up. So if it comes back up here, I don't want to enter, but like I said, I will enter. I really want price to come here first before entering. But I want price to come here before entering. This is like an hour entry. This is literally like a 4-hour entry. I thought it was gonna drop. Um, yeah, we could see. Like I said, I'm just following the market. I got this entry right here and this. I entered here. Now I didn't enter at 10. I didn't. It didn't look clean. But when it came back up from boom, and I knew it came back up here, I knew to enter because I'm like, it's not gonna keep going down. It did a little run. It did a little run. It could a nice little run. But I believe price anytime price comes here, it usually comes here. So and I think if it does come here, I'm not even trying to joke. I think it's gonna fly up. So I think today won't the day. Like, let me see if it's news tomorrow. Forex for 3. Let's see if it's like news. Like, let's see. Maybe it won't go there tomorrow. Maybe like Wednesday because it's on fun rates on Wednesday because it ain't major news tomorrow. Maybe it could play. It might be playing around over here. Like, hopefully it does drop tomorrow. So if it dropped tomorrow, I could get in here and maybe I can I might have to stretch the stop loss, but hopefully it comes up and at least hit here. But I really got it going higher, so I might make this one like higher, in all honesty. Because if it comes here, it's gonna keep going. So I'll probably push it up to like like 480. But we just gonna leave it this one. So these are some nice entries right here. I like this. I like this right now. So I got two entries. So and for Nas, not bro. I'm telling you, Nas is doing me. I didn't enter this shit. So let me delete this. So for Nas, I have entered again. And I'm still in this. But I closed it out at break even. I entered this one for Nas today. I'm up like 3,000 on Nas right now. Hopefully it doesn't. I ain't gonna lie. I'm kind of I don't know. This part of the area I kind of wanted to break up. I really wanted to break up, but like I said, I can't tell Nas what they want to do. So, but I can enter again though. Watch this. If you could just off a smaller time frame, really the stop loss will be down here again. So if it come here, come up, the stop loss really would be down here. So it would be a nasty stop loss though. Like boom. I would try to make the stop loss deep. And that's why I say I re-enter maybe. And then this is a nice 1-on-1. Yeah. There's another entry I can enter tomorrow. So if it does, like I said, tomorrow, I think I'm gonna just get more entries. I don't think it's gonna fly up. Like I feel like it's gonna retrace. Maybe I'll be negative on this one. I come back. Maybe it comes back up here. I'll be back positive. I enter. And then I'll probably be done with the challenge. If I could enter off this tomorrow and one of these, really mainly this one, I really don't want to enter off this one, but either or, I probably could pass because I'm up 3 bands. I'm at 1 point. I'm at 1,400, 1,104. I said 1,000. Yeah, 104. I'm at 3. I enter here. It comes up to at least. Yeah, if I enter here, I probably won't even have to hit TP. Probably just right here. That's why I said. Because what it would be like maybe let's see. If I enter what lot size I enter. Let's see. God damn. If I enter, let's see. Oh, let's see. Maybe let's see, a 3. A 3 that'd be that'd be 600. That'd be about 800 right here. Plus another I add a 2, maybe like 1,000. I'll be up 1,000 of them right here. But for Nas, maybe yeah, I'll be up 1,000. That's probably be like I'll probably be at like 5. Let's see, Nas. So that'd be up 1,000 this one. And for this one, I'll be up. Let's see. Maybe I enter 2 lot here. Maybe another no, because I got more entries. I'm tripping. Yeah, I enter a 2 lot for here. I enter a 2 lot tomorrow and a 3 lot for this one and another 1 lot for this one. Another one, a 3. Yeah, I enter a 3 for this one, a 1 for this one, and a 2 for Nas. I do want to say close out at break even for Nas, but I do want to close because if it do drop, I'm like, damn, I could come all the way back down here. And granted, I'll probably just if it breaks here, I won't be negative, but I'll be break even. But if it comes here and breaks back above here, oh, I'll pass the challenge. But I wouldn't be mad because I still have like one. I have half the challenge done, and then even if I do fail this, I can set up for GJ. Like GJ is a good. I see a gap here. It can fill. If it comes here, it's gonna fill. Uh, I really want GJ to come down here, but I can't tell the market what to do. GJ looks like I believe it's gonna come down here eventually. Like, because even if it comes up here, I just don't think it's gonna finish. It's gonna come like it might bullshit. Like it might come wick. Like it might just do like hit here, hit. Like it hit somewhere like 3 times, telling it, hey, I don't want to go up, and then come back down. If it does come here, or it might just come here and just go straight back down. That's what I believe it might do. Like it might just come here, fake it, come straight down. That's why I want. I love if price will come here. That's like an A+ setup. Like I said, third, I wanted to break with, but without the news. I kind of do too, but I don't like news is Wednesday. I believe it's gonna break maybe Wednesday, but like I said, I can't tell the market what it want to do. I can't tell it. I really like this would have been a nice buy. This would have been a nice buy. I'm in I'm in this buy right here. This 0.59. I'm enter another one. Oh, a 0.3. Oh, enter another one. Probably tomorrow. Um, let's see. I just believe it's not gonna come down here. I feel like it gotta come back up above here. I feel like the price just don't want to go down there. I believe it's gonna come up. I'm not gonna hold you. I feel like it might come down here for one more time, but if it comes above here, oh my gosh, that's game over. It's game over because it's telling me price doesn't want to go lower. Like as you can see here, if price don't want to break, like really, I'ma say here, come back down here. But right now, this is off the 1 hour. But like long term, long term price can come all the way down here, long term. But the 1 hour is the 4 hours the strongest. Because every time it come here, it goes up, comes here, goes up, comes here, goes up, comes here, goes up, comes here, goes to the same spot. So even if it is coming down and it doesn't break here, but it comes back above here, I'ma just re-enter. Nas, Nas, I ain't gonna lie. I know we said this about Nas. I do want to enter from here. It's like I got so much entries for Nas. Like, bro, I entered here today. I'm gonna tell you every place I entered, and I'm still in it. I entered 1, 2. I exit this one. 3. So I'm in 3 Nas trades right now. I'm in this one, and I entered 2 from right here. I entered one Monday. I entered one Tuesday. Wednesday. Entered another one Wednesday. Let go of it Wednesday. And then, like I said, I'm telling you, I'm on my long term shit. Enter this one today. And then I might enter this one tomorrow. And then I might re-enter again here. Nah, I ain't gonna lie though. If I enter this one tomorrow, I might not just re-enter. Cause I might just pass the fucking challenge. In all honesty. In all honesty, if I enter from this one and it goes above this yellow line, I can enter. I'm not gonna hold you. It's just because I think it's gonna break. It's been hitting here too much. Bam, 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 bam. Or is it gonna come here, wick down, break again? It's gonna do some bullshit like that. Like it doesn't want to go down. And if it does go down, it's gonna go down hard. Like break all this shit. But I don't. I just believe it's time for the market to break up. So it's 2 entries I can get in Nas. I don't know if I want to enter the 2 entries. Is this one if it comes down below here and it breaks above, or if it show me it hits this yellow and it just shows me bullish momentum on the lower time frame, I enter. Or if it comes down, show bullish momentum, break above here, still showing bullish momentum, I enter. Or you can enter from here, showing bullish momentum, or you could really just enter from here. I'm not gonna lie. Like most likely, I might just enter from here. Enter once he even hit here, and then just goes up. But the stop loss will be like crazy trash. Cause look, um, I don't even know what the stop loss would be. So boom, like the stop loss is, yeah, that's insane. It's somewhere down here. Off the like 4 hour. That's you really entering off the 4 hour. So your stop loss has to go with the 4 hour. Or you could just might make a, you never know. You never know. Cause you see how here, like if I do enter from here and it comes above here, it's going to come here, but it might just come back right back down. Like it can say that's why I got this white bar here. Like you can see it's gonna hit here. If it does goes above here, it can come here and it could just go straight back down. That's why I said I might just go break even. If they don't just come down, come up, and then come back down, I might just close out. I might just close out of everything. Just hey, I'm gonna just close out when this don't go break even. I might just be a little negative. I'm gonna still have like up 2,000. I might be up like probably like 1,500, 1,700 if I close out like right here. But that's fine though. I I'll take the 1,700. I'll probably be up 1,000, like 106K. I won't be too mad. So me entering here comes here and it just smacks back down. I would be. I don't want to go break even, but I rather go. I rather just gain 1,600 than rather lose all of this and just gain $0. Because granted, it can come here and just go back up, and I could just be winning. But like I said, I'm just going with the market. If it's just showing me it doesn't want to break this area, I'm gonna just get the hell out. And then 30 actually looks clean. 30 looks very clean. It already came above here. But 30 is to the point, like how Nas is to the point. Like it's been hitting here so much. If it goes down, I wouldn't even be mad that it goes down. Like it, it can come up here. This is the main goal for it to come up here. Like I said, it could come down here, doesn't break. If it doesn't break here and it goes back above here, it's just more entry points. But if it does come here, it's gonna fly just like Nas. If it does come above this, it's gonna fly. I'm just scared at this point because this is a point where market comes and it just go back down. Market comes here and it goes back down. You see, market comes here, goes down. Market comes here, goes down. Market comes there, goes down. Granted, market comes here, goes up. Market comes here, even though look, this is the lowest, it still goes up. Boom, it's not there yet. Like I said, the market is not perfect. So that's why stop loss and like TP come. Like when you really thought about it, that's why I've been losing most of my challenges because it's like the market really does what you want it to do. It's just you can't have a good stop loss. Like granted, if you entered from here, the market is going to come here. Like that, but you don't know where to put the stop loss at. So that's what I have to notice. I got to make the stop loss bigger. That's what I know. That's why I was in this one for so long. Because I noticed the stop loss just this ain't a real stop. It's not. It came here and we knew it was going to come here eventually. And it kind of did. Like, look, it did. This is like, the market could play around with you. That's why I said if it just keep hitting here. But it did fill out. Look, I entered here, it filled out. Like this happens consistent. Like even if you enter like right here. Granted, it comes all the way down here, but that ain't like the lowest point of the 4 hour time frame of the 4 hour break. Like you see the 4 hour break, this is the lowest. It never hit the 4 hour lowest break. So like you would come here, it comes here, it never broke 4 hour. You would enter from here, Boom, you might be in drawdown for about 3 days. Boom, comes back up and it just hits here again. Comes here, boom, it hits here again. Comes here, enter, boom, it hits here again. So it's kind of easy to read the market. It does that kind of like consistently. Like even so, sometimes like I can even show you an error, but it doesn't happen. This error doesn't happen. So it comes here, boom, hits here, comes here, boom, comes here. But you can tell to get out because look, you enter from here, you draw down. Let's just say draw down. Like I said, you make the stop loss even bigger than what it's supposed to be. It comes here, it comes here the next day, it comes here a third day. This area is showing you, like, bro, like that's why I wrote the same thing right here, bro. It just doesn't want to break this point. So if price shows me it doesn't want to break this point, I'ma just get the hell out. I'ma just get out. For 30, it ain't really a price point to break. It's either it came above, if it doesn't, and really, it's just gonna hit here. I got it hitting here, and then hitting here. Gold, you have to be patient with. You just gotta be patient with gold, cause man, gold is such a bullish uptrend. The only time you catch gold if you just trading off like 5 minute, and trading off 5 minute is fucking nasty for me. I don't know about for y'all, but for me, I'm not trading this shit. Like you could like trade off support and resistance, I guess, but I don't do that. I trade off like I trade off. This is how I trade. Like price will always return. The only way price didn't return this because it's been ranging for so long. But like you said, price will always return. Like price, this ain't a regular market. This is not a regular market push. That's why price never returned. But as you see, it's starting to make trends now. Boom. Price always returns. Boom, comes here, returns. Boom, comes here, return. Boom, come here, return. Maybe it's going to return this one. Maybe it'll return this one. But price do return. So if it does come down here, comes up, buy, it's going to return. You can see a return, some type of return. So I can see price coming here. I can see price coming here. A good break here. Or price could come here. There's a lot of places price can come. Price can come here. Price can come here. Price can come here because it keeps breaking highs. Look, break highs again, break highs again. If it breaks this, break highs again. And all I do is wait. I can't really. You can do it off the 5 minute, but it's not even clean. Like it's not like even on the lower time frames, it's just not clean. It's just not clean. To me, it ain't clean. Like it came here, boom. Look like it worked here. Boom, breaks here. Never broke its lows, which is somewhere around here. If you want to do that, yeah. Boom, boom. You can do the lows a little bit lower. Boom. You enter from here. Boom, boom, comes right back. This is another one. There's another one right here. Boom, another one. Boom, it's lows. Before it break, I probably put the stop loss a little bit lower. You come here, doesn't break this. Put the stop loss even a little lower, and let it ride to here. You can do it off the smaller time frame. It's just you want to do add on positions off the smaller time frame. Like this is something I will add on, like when price hit my higher time frame. Like I don't even want to add on because it probably don't respect it as much. Like if it just come down here and then goes above, and then it's gonna respect riding the trend even smoother. Comes here and it goes back up, showing bullish momentum. It's gonna respect it way more. But yeah, those are the setups I see for tomorrow. I got the Nas, GJ. Hopefully I pass my challenge and then GJ could be prepared for me. GJ could come back up here. But I'm scared to even honestly enter GJ from up here. I really would want some new type movement, but I can't tell GJ what to do. Uh, I would want GJ to come right here. If GJ can come right here, that's a beautiful one. Off the I could pass off the I could just pass off this one. In all honesty, I could just pass off this one, and then I'll be in profit. I just make about 5%, and then I just have the funded challenge. And yeah, that's all I got for today. Be patient. That's all I could say. Be patient. Wait for the setups. Um, do what you got to do. Set your alerts. You don't have to stare at the charts all day. That's what I had to learn. Just set your alerts. Like my two alerts here, I don't have nothing to do if GJ don't hit here or here. I don't have nothing to do. The gold doesn't hit here or it comes all the way down here. I have nothing to do. Nas, Nas, it has to hit here or it has to hit here. Um, I will put the alert on tomorrow. Maybe we could delete this alert because we if it comes down here we most likely will even be out. So my two alerts will be somewhere. So here or here before I even look at Nas. 30. 30. Boom. You got it going here and here. Just before I even look at 30. So what you want to do is set alerts to be the best. Just set alerts, set alerts, set alerts, set alerts, set alerts, set alerts. Set alerts, and then you'll be way profitable. Just set alerts, and yeah, that's all I got for today, bro. Just set alerts so you don't have to stare at the charts. Like if it don't hit my alerts, I don't have to look at the chart. But as it hits my alerts, I could set up for the perfect execution. And that's all I got for today, man. Peace.